Hello everyone, welcome back. As we have done in the previous video, exercise 2.2, and today we are going to start with exercise 2.3, and I have not received any comment. One of the student have asked me regarding the solution of one question uh, that have told him. He has personally asked me on my WhatsApp. So right now, if you do not have any problem in exercise 2.2, then it is better to start with exercise 2.3. So let us start with exercise 2.3. Divide the polynomial by px by gx and find the quotient and remainder. So simple division we need to do. First, second, third, here simple division, here also simple division. So let us do these questions without wasting our time. So question number 1, first part. Write what px is given: x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, and gx is given x square minus 2. So just divide these two, x square minus 2 divide by x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Now x square we need to multiply by x to make it x cube. 9, then minus 2 is equal multiply by x, it is minus 2x. So x variable will write under the x variable. This is over. Now minus 3x square. Okay, then here it is plus 7x. Now multiply with minus 3 to make it minus 3x square. Then minus 3 multiplied by, just note it down, minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus 6, sign change. Now it is 7x minus 9. Okay, so here we get the question. See, when the degree of this divisor is greater than the means the next part, okay, after subtracting and adding whatever, you will get it. So after the subtraction part, if you will get expression here whose degree is less than this algebraic expression, then the question will get over there, and this is the remainder. And the question is, so we can write like this, instead like this. Now we can write remainder as rx equals to, and qx as our quotient, that is x minus 3. So the first part is over by simple division. Now we can move on to second part. This is, look, x is to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Try to understand this. What is the biggest power here? 4. Then after this 2 means we do not have here 3, then 2, then we have power 1, then we have power 0, last we have only number. Okay, and here it is like 2 power, then we do not have any power, means it is, we do not have here variable, so power will be 0, because we have to check only the power of variable, and these are variables. Here the power is 1. First of all, this need to be arranged in descending order. Okay, 2 1 0, so 0 means constant term, 2 and 1. So first of all we need to write here x square, then minus x, then plus 1. So this is standard form. First of all you have to arrange this in standard form. And look here, one more point I want to tell you. After 4 power we do not have here cube power. Okay, we don't have 3, no. So that's why for that we will leave space. It will be easier for us to solve. Now look here, second part, x raised to power 4, we don't have cube, no, so leave space and write minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and divided by x square minus x plus 1. After arranging all this, wait, start the division. X square should be multiplied by x square to make it x raised to power 4. So x raised to power 4. Now x square multiplied by minus x cube. See here, we don't have x cube, but here we need to write. That's why we have left the space. Otherwise, you will write this x cube. The other option is If you're not leaving space, then you have to write this x cube at the last. Okay, if you're leaving space, then write it here only at the same place. X square multiplied by 1 plus x square minus plus minus over x cube. Now here minus 4x square, then plus 4x. Now there is x cube and there is x square, so plus x we require. X multiplied by x square, x cube, x multiplied by minus x square, x multiplied by plus 1 plus x minus plus minus. This is over. Now means cancels out. Now minus 3x square plus 3x. Now plus 5 is left. Now multiply by minus 3, because minus 3 multiplied by x square is minus 3x square. Now minus 3 multiplied by minus x plus 3x, minus 3 multiplied by plus 1 minus 3. Sign change, cancels out, and this is 5 plus 3, 8. So the quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and the remainder is 8. So this is the correct answer. Is it clear? So I am doing each and every part so that you should be able to divide these things. Okay. After this, here we have the third part. Divide. See this 2 minus x square. Arrange it in a proper manner. Minus x square will come first, then plus 2. Okay. And here we have x raised to power 4. Then in between cube and square we don't have. Leave space. Wait. This. Then leave space. Minus 5x plus 6. So minus x square multiplied by what to make it positive x4? First of all, here minus should be there. Minus will become plus. Okay. Then x square. X square multiplied by x square. X raised to power 4. Now minus x square multiplied by 2. Minus 2x square. Minus plus. Now this is 2x square. Now next is minus 5x. And the last is plus 6. Now minus x square should be multiplied by what number to make it plus 2x square? Minus 2, because minus plus, and we have 2, then plus 2, then x square. Then minus 2 multiplied by this, minus 4. Cancels out. Now minus 5x plus 10. Now we can't solve further because the degree is less than the degree of divisor. Fine. Here we need to leave. Now quotient is minus x square minus 2 and remainder is minus 5x plus 10. So this is it. Is it clear to you? I hope this is the correct answer. In this way we have to solve the division of algebraic expressions, and you are doing these questions from 8th grade. Now we are moving on to question number 2, and this question is also same. Just the statement is a little different. Check whether the first polynomial which is written here separated by comma is the factor of the second polynomial written here. So first should be the factor of second. This is only possible if remainder will come 0. So let us check the very first part of this second question. T square minus 3. Question number second, first part. T square minus 3 is our divisor and dividend is 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Now t square should be multiplied by what to make it 2t raised to power 4. 2t raised to power 2. And if you are not able to understand this, some of the students might be, then always do like this. Write this the inside term and write this term and divide these two. So it will become, in division, power will get subtract. The answer is 2t square. With this only we will multiply. Understood? This way also we can check. So t square multiplied by this 2t 4, 2t square multiplied by minus 3 minus 6t square. Okay, sign change. 3t cube plus 4t square. Okay, minus 9t. Now t square and here 3t cube, so we need plus 3 and 1t more. So t 3t cube, then multiply 3t multiplied by minus 3 minus 9t, sign change, cancels out. Clear? After this, note down 4t square, then the last minus 12. Now we need to multiply by plus 4. 4t square plus 4 multiplied by t square, 4t square plus 4 multiplied by minus 3 minus 12. Sign change and everything cancels out. So here the remainder is 0. We'll write since remainder is 0, therefore t square minus 3 is factor of given polynomial. So it is the factor of given polynomial, and given polynomial is this. Okay. So this is over. In this way we need to do. So in this way you can do this part also. You can do this part also. No confusion should be there. And these are easy parts. If your remainder is coming 0, if it is 0, then it is a factor. And let me tell you, here also remainder will come 0, it is a factor, and here remainder will not come equal to 0, and this is not a factor. Okay, so after this question we are doing question number 3. Mark it a very important question. It has come this year also in CBSE board examination. This question has come like this, a question like this. Okay, now just read it carefully. Obtain all other zeros. What is the degree here? The power here is 4, so it can have maximum 4 zeros. Okay, so two of the zeros are given, that root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Minus root 5 by 3, these two are the zeros of this polynomial, and you need to find the other zeros, other two zeros you need to find. So let us solve this. Okay, wait. Note it down. Question number 3, which is very important, and here px is given 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x raised to power 3 minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, so this is px, and zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Okay, this is given. We'll write this first, then we'll write if this and this are zeros. Let us start with the solution. If, not if, just write directly, not if they are the zeros. So root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are zeros of given polynomial in terms of x. If these are the zeros, then x minus root 5 by 3. This, I hope this you remember from 9th grade. If this is the 0, then x minus root 5 by 3 will be the factor of the polynomial, and it will divide this complete polynomial. Okay, then this minus 1 will become x plus root 5 by 3 are factors of. Look here in exercise 2.2, what we have done. At the last, we used to arrive at these types of equation: x plus 2, x plus 1. Then for finding zeros, we used to put x plus 2 equals to 0, x plus 1 equals to 0. Then here x is minus 2 and here x is minus 1. So what are the zeros? Minus 2 and minus 1. If we want to write it in the form of x, then we can write x plus 2. So either x plus 2 can divide this, or x equals to minus 2, means minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial, or in terms of, if you want to write this in terms of algebraic expression, then it can be x plus 2. Okay, and this can be, this minus 1 can be x plus 1. So in the same way, root 5 by 3 is something like this, x equals to root 5 by 3. So this we can write as x minus root 5 by 3, and this we can write as x plus root 5 by 3. So these will also be the zeros of the, or factors of the given polynomial. Okay, if this is the factor, then multiplication of these two will also be the factor of polynomial. Okay, multiplication of these two, multiply x plus root 5 by 3. Now a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So after this, x square minus 5 by 3. Moreover, we can take LCM, 3x square minus 5 by 3, or we can write only 3x square minus 5, because if we have x square minus 5 by 3 equals to 0, it will become 3x square minus 5 equals to 0 upon 3, then 3 will go to that side, will become 0. So simply we can write that if these two are the factors, then this is also factor of px. Okay, if 18 is divisible by 2, if 18 is divisible by 3, then if you will multiply 2 and 3, 18 will divisible by this also, the multiplication of 2 and 3. Something like this we have done. Okay, now with this number, with this expression, with this polynomial, we need to divide the given polynomial. Okay, now the given polynomial is, let me write 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, divided by 3x square minus 5. Just wait, I've not given any space here. No? Wait. Let us bring it here down. Now it's fine. Divide this by this polynomial, 3x square, and it is 3x raised to power 4. So what we need, only x square. X square into x square, x raised to power 4, and we have 3 already. So 3x raised to power 4. Now x square into minus 5. Minus 5 x square. X square should be under x square. Sign change, this cancels out. And here we have 6x cube and plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now next, 3x square to make 6x cube with 3x square. So plus 2, because 2 3s are 6. Then we need one more x to make it cube. So now 2x multiplied by 3x square, 6x cube. Then 2x multiplied by minus 5 minus 10x. Cancels out. Now the last is 3x square and minus 5. So it is also same. So multiply by 1 plus 1, 3x square minus 5. Sign change, cancels out. In these types of question, always remainder will come 0. Okay, because we are multiplying by the factor. This x square minus 5 is a factor of px. If it is a factor, it means it will completely divided. Now after this step, now we need to factorize this. We need to factorize this. So factorize, now we will write factorize x square plus 2x plus 1. Now, and we were in search of the zeros, the other zeros, and that we can get by factorizing this quotient. Okay, x square plus x plus 1. So x plus 1 plus 1 x plus 1. What I have done, splitting middle term. We can use it by, we can use our identity also, a plus b whole square, but right now I am doing splitting middle term. 2x can be written as x plus x. Okay, now take common from the first two and take common from the last two. Now we got x plus 1 and x plus 1. Okay, now for finding zeros, what we used to do, always we have to put this equals to 0 and this equals to 0, so the other zeros are same only. So all the zeros are minus 1 and again minus 1 and then root 5 by 3 given in equation and minus root 5 by 3 given in equation. So 2 were given, 2 we have found. This is over here. See the full process again. Whatever is given, no, whatever zeros are given, you need to write first of all in this form. If it is positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive with x. Now, after this, multiply them with a square minus b square. Same identity we have to apply in this equation. Okay, then if it is in fraction, then take LCM. Otherwise, without LCM only we'll do. If there is no fraction at all, then no LCM. If it is fraction, uh, then take LCM. Right, like this. No need to take this denominator. Okay, then divide with 3x square minus 5. You'll get this and factorize this to get the zeros. I hope it is clear. Next question is this question number 4th. Okay, so one more question we are doing, question number 4th for today. On dividing this by polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and 2x minus 4. This is quotient and this is our remainder. You need to find this gx, means by which polynomial you have divided this. We need to find that. Okay, so let's write. Let's note it down here. Say this question number 4th. So on dividing this, so let it be px. Px is given x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Okay, and it is we're dividing it by polynomial gx. So gx we don't know, by which divisor, what is the divisor of this, we need to find the divisor only. By which polynomial we're dividing it, we don't know that. And after that, quotient qx is x minus 2 and remainder rx, because they all are in terms of x. X is equals to minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so you can write as by division algorithm, px is equals to gx. That Euclid's division algorithm it is. Px is equals to gx. The dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula we will use to find out the answer. Place all the values. Px is given x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and gx we need to find, and qx is in multiplication with gx, x minus 2, and rx is in addition with this. Now first of all, after this, the very first step will be bring these two things this side, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x and minus 4 is equal to gx into x minus 2. So this will become positive, this will become negative. X cube minus 3x square. Now x plus 2x is 3x. Now plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2 is equals to gx into x minus 2. Now in the very next step, what we'll do, okay, we are doing it in this step only. This x minus 2 will come this side in division because it is in multiplication. Now divide these two to get the value of gx. So x minus 2 divided by, sorry, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Let us write this plus 3x minus 2. So x multiplied by x square to make it x cube. Now minus 2 multiplied by x square minus 2x square. Sign change cancels out. It is minus x square plus 3x. So with this minus 1 multiplied by, sorry, minus x multiplied by x minus x square, then minus x multiplied by minus 2 plus 2x, sign change, here also sign change, x minus 2. Now it is same with plus 1 we will do as it is same, sign change cancels out, it is 0. So the value of gx is this, x square minus x plus 1. This is our answer. Just if something is not clear, try to uh, watch that particular section of the video again, okay, and make your doubt clear. That's it for today, and homework is exercise 2 point, which we are doing 2.3. okay, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Do it in your fair notebook. Okay, so that's it for today. Rest of the questions and 2.4 exercise also we will do, that is optional exercise, and that we'll do in the next video, and we'll try to finish the chapter in the next video. Okay, and one more, okay, do one more homework for you. Do one or two examples I should give you with this, as these questions are very important, no? So do example 9 and do example 8 in fair notebook. Okay, these two also. So class is over. Take care. Bye.